Hi, this is Manang Mimi and here am I again. By the way, hope you have a wonderful day and I will gonna go direct to the point right now. I want to share to you as a new vlogger, or not really very new, but if you are new, this is for you. Or if you are even, it's been a while you're in a YouTube or as a vlogger and you are not sure how to make or to add in-screen video in your video that you upload in your YouTube account. So this is how I upload my YouTube in-screen, I'll add my YouTube in-screen video. Nalito tuloy ako. Then we'll start. First is you have to sign in or log into your YouTube account, and then after you sign in, you're going to click the end of this like the account, and then your channel, and then YouTube Studio there. Then it open up, and then you use there. You can see your content in there. If you want to add in-screen video, you add in-screen. You can click the video that you already uploaded, and then we choose, like for example this one, you choose the video that there's no in-screen, and see, you can see the right corner, there is public, in-screen, and card. There is in-screen in the side, and then you choose which one, if you want that or this. I will choose this one for me. Then we're gonna choose specific video, and then you choose video that you like, and then the most recent upload. Also you choose if you want the recent upload, like that. Okay, then all you do is save, and we'll check. See, the end is. For those of you that like my video, sometimes I don't forget to. You can see the one that I choose. That's the end screen. Okay, hope you guys you get it. But if in case you haven't have a video yet and you want to upload a new video, the same thing. At the end and this is the first time that you upload a video, or even it's not the first time and you are thinking to put an in-screen in the video that you upload, all you do is at the end, before you publish, you click in-screen and then choose the video that you like, and the same thing. It's really not hard. Thank you for watching, and hope you learned from my short tutorial about how to add an in-screen in your video in YouTube. Bye-bye. By the way, before I forget, I want to shout out the following people that always following my vlog. Shout out to the following people: Maribel nga Moment, Inday Floors Vlog, Home and Travels Adventures, Mel's Life in Nebraska, Inay Jungle Home, Christine's Vlog. Hold on. What else? All for Bindale, and many more. Okay. Na-distract na noon ko. Sige, oy, sa sunod ng uban, nakahinomdom na ko, pero na-distract ko kay ni Anay ni Abot. Bye-bye!